Hey guys, it's your boy Erik from Romeoville Toyota, your tech guru with Toyota Talk. Today we're going to be learning how to use our 360 view camera. For reference, we're going to be using our 2022 4Runner SR5. So if you want to follow me. Alright guys, so now that we're finally inside, we got our vehicle currently turned on. With that bird's eye view camera, actually, this is a neat thing about Toyotas. With the bird's eye view, when you put the vehicle in reverse, it's going to show you your reverse camera and also a 360 view camera all around the vehicle, and that's to ensure that you're not hitting anything around you. Now I'm going to put the vehicle back into park. Alright guys, now that we finally have the vehicle back into park, the other neat thing is that if you check right here, we actually have a view button, which is your 360 bird's eye view perimeter camera. Now with that button right there, if we click it, we're going to be able to see a full 360 view again, and also be provided with the front camera in front. So we're going to take a good look inside the vehicle when we click that button. Okay guys, now that we're finally inside the vehicle, again we're going to make sure that we click that view button that I showed you earlier. And as we click the button, it's going to show you a full 360 view camera all around the vehicle, and also it has a front facing camera to see in front. Now if we click the button again once more, we're also going to get a rear view camera to show the different camera angles on the side of the vehicle in front. And then we click it back again, it brings us back to our main normal home menu. Alright guys, so thank you for joining me today on our Toyota Talk tutorial. Hopefully you found that video super helpful, super useful. Hope to see you guys here for the next one. Take care, stay smooth.